Alright, this is David Bigelow, dvdbigelow@gmail.com. Again, dvdbigelow@gmail.com. Alright, hi, this is David Bigelow, Community Arborist Expert, and this is going to be a TreeStuff.com video about how to do a lockout with wedges and whatever you may have laying around. You can use your antenna as well. Right now I have my dogs in the car is running, the car is locked, and I'm going to get in there really quick. Tech tip, you always want to work on the passenger side, because if you damage something or mess something up, prefer it to be on the passenger side versus the driver's side. Alright, and that was how to do a lockout with wedges and a couple sticks and twigs. Thank you.